Hi class, today we are going to do a flip lesson. Our topic is explicit details in making or drawing inferences. This topic can be used while you are reading a textbook, a library book, a passage, any kind of thing. What does it mean to make inferences? Well, I'm glad you asked. Making inferences means that an author of a book doesn't tell the whole story or everything about the character or the events. So if you would see right quick, I found an anchor chart that sums it up. So if you would take a look at it, it says making inferences. When authors of books don't tell everything about the characters, the events, and readers have to use story clues or context clues, and a little bit of background knowledge or the schema. That's a key word, schema. We've talked about that to make an inference. So this is a great idea right here. So to remember, so text clues plus the schema or your background knowledge right here, and makes an inference. So going on later in this lesson, you will actually do this lesson and you will do a research project on a president. I will sign you the president, and you'll have to do everything you need to know. It's in this flip lesson, but I want you to look for some keywords when you're writing down some things. So, for example, I can infer. This could mean perhaps, maybe. So those are 4 key things that you need to know when making an inferences. Another thing is when you're making inferences that you have to pay attention to the key details. If you're reading an article or something, you just need to know where it's at. You need to make sure, if you have to read it twice, make sure you pay attention to all the key details. So while we're moving on, like I said, we're going to do a president project. I will assign you a president you'll have to do some research on. Everything you know is in this flip lesson that I have left for you. And this is a great way to explore and learn about our presidents, because we don't know everything what a president does or what a president did in the past. So I'm pretty excited about seeing what you come up with when you read an article. When you research, make sure you look for the story clues and using your background knowledge to make an inference, because this will be a very big thing for you to do. So, thanks for watching.